Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change bank account in MoneyView. First of all, open MoneyView app, then log into your account. After that, go to bank account section, then tap on menu or three horizontal line or go to settings. Select manage bank accounts or linked bank accounts. Remove the existing bank account, tap on the current bank account you want to remove. Select remove or unlink if option is available. Add a new bank account. Tap add a new account or link bank account. Enter your bank details, account number, IFSC code, etc. Complete verification via OTP if required. Set the new account as default. If MoneyView allows multiple accounts, set your new account as primary for transactions. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.